All right, Maverick. There's Maverick. Master Maverick, the chicken farmer.
Get them some food. I know they're eating.
You gonna tell them what you're feeding them?
Don't peck my camera.
You gonna tell them what you're feeding them? Tell them it's 16% layer feed.
16% layer feed.
They love it.
For the hens only.
Come on, chickens, gotta eat. Now we are drawing the. We will draw a middle. Big. Oh my gosh, that's a big ass circle.
Let's not say that word though, okay?
I want to do the egg stealing one.
Yeah, we gotta let her lay an egg in there, right? Yeah, we gotta wait. Let her do her business, right? You're doing such a good job.
Now we put the texture on top.
Yeah.
I forgot my tablet.
That's alright. Look how cute your video is gonna be. Your chickens are
Chicken, stop!
easy. They're okay, buddy.
Like and subscribe, guys. Do it now. Even like. Do it now, or you'll be like a chicken and I'll kill you.
Did you end your
Like that one.